Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Wi-Fi connection on your WITHINGS BPM Core. To do it, click on the device in top right corner, then go down to Wi-Fi configuration, click on that, then press and hold the button for 3 seconds on your device, then click on next. Now it will start looking for your BPM core. Wait for a moment, and now it is detected. Click on next and click on setup Wi-Fi connection. Now click on allow while using the app and select a Wi-Fi network you'd like to connect it to. Now enter the password and click on connect. The password is there to send it to your device. Right, now let's click on done and it is set up. The Wi-Fi is used so it can actually send the data through the Wi-Fi, not through Bluetooth, and it's gonna be way more convenient because it can actually then not require you to have your phone open after doing the readings. So I think it's great, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.